Hello everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video we will learn how to create isometric grid and design a beautiful lettermark logo while using that grid and some other techniques, so stay connected. First select pen tool and draw a straight line with fill selected as nil, then drag the line horizontally while clicking Alt or Option key to make a copy of line. Now click Ctrl or Command D to repeat the recent action and make more copies of line. Ensure there are 21 lines. Now make a group of all line, then right click on mouse, then transform and then rotate and select 60° as location and then hit the copy button. Again click Ctrl or Command D to repeat the same action. Congratulations, isometric grid is ready to use. Now it's your role to make a wise use of grid and make as beautiful logo as you can. For now I will share my process. First I will make some copies of square with different color, then click the blend button to make more blended copies of these colors. Click Alt or Option and left mouse button in last and then select specific steps as for. Now click and hold on Shape Builder tool, then choose Live Paint tool. So while using Live Paint tool you can select any color while just clicking Alt or Option key and then fill the grid. Once you are done with the logo design, you will select the overall grid, then change the stroke color into none and then click on Object, then Expand. All line will be vanished and your beautiful icon is ready. Now, you can play with the logo fonts. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to share your remarks by liking and commenting, and also don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for your time.